Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, working on a 2009 BMW 3 Series. If you suspect your water pump or your thermostat is bad and your coolant reservoir is full, all you have to do is look inside here. And if you do not see a flow of coolant, your water pump is doing absolutely nothing. That is the reason why you are overheating. Let me turn the car off because it's loud. That is the reason why your car is overheating. Your electric water pump, you're going to have to lift up the radiator. There's going to be some good work and a pretty penny. Also, while you're down there, you might as well change out the thermostat itself. I'm going to go over it again because it was too loud. This is the coolant reservoir, and you should see a fluid going straight across when the electric water pump is actually pumping. In this case, there was nothing pumping inside here. You will see a stream that goes straight across, nothing's pumping, and that will be a great sign that the water pump itself is not working. So anybody with these 4.0 engines want to know if your water pump is actually working, that is the easiest way to find out. You do this when it's cold and cold only. Turn your car on and you should see it pumping. Nothing's pumping on the car. The customer is complaining about overheating. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently. Please leave a positive comments that you appreciate my videos, and I do appreciate you. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.